The Shanghai Express. After record equaling 6th gold, state government melts befitting title for boxing legend. Congratulatory message pour in from Prime Minister Modi, many others. It's raining petrol pumps ahead of general election. Fuel retail outlet expansion underway. Resolve border dispute, a loop to government. The morning bell. Heads of Manipur Sagang agree sports can strengthen bones. Amur Falcon Tamenglong reaches Somalia after flying non-stop for 5 days and 8 hours. MOA signed for export of organic products. Action on illegal building at Loktak. Government to bestow suitable title for Mary Kom, Chief Minister. Bus carrying 40 students catches fire, 8 injured in Assam. Imphal Free Press. Women's participation is still very limited in decision-making bodies. Governor. Biren attends BEG Shanghai Fiesta 2018 at Shanghai Health Park. Government to bestow a suitable title upon Mary Kom, Chief Minister. Interactions between India and Myanmar through sports must be strengthened, says Biren. Salai Holdings felicitates Myanmar delegates. The People's Chronicle. Minister Jung's weaving shed floating dispensary plan. Cabinet to soon decide suitable honor for Mary Kom. Akom Loop urges government to resolve border row. High Commissioner to UK Atsum hail Mary Kom. Manipur Mail. Governor discusses women issues. Government to bestow title upon Mary Kom, Chief Minister.